SELA helped me get to where I am now. I learnt that not everything's a single track path, not everything is set out in stone, and that you have to adapt to the situation. I'd started uni thinking I'm doing a 4-year program, and that was it. I was going to come out with a civil engineering degree, going to go into civil engineering, and that was my focus. It was through the end of my 2nd year, I was told that I'd not done well enough to do the Masters, and in my 3rd year I'll be on the Bachelor's. I had to rethink, how am I going to react to this? So initially it started off as, right, work hard, get back on the 4 years and you can get back to plan. But at the same time, I was thinking around it as if, well, say I didn't get on the Masters and I finished 3rd year, what are my opportunities? What could I do? And at this time, I'd been thinking about a year placement. And the more I thought about it, the more exciting I thought the prospect was. I could take a year out, decide what I was keen on doing, what interested me, was civil engineering the right way forward, and come back and do a Masters if that was the case. From my SELA experience, I was quite interested in project management. So out on a whim, I saw that Rolls-Royce were looking for placement students for project management. So I thought, can't harm in trying, I'll have a go and see if I get it. And I got invited back for an assessment centre, and then after the assessment centre I've got offered a year placement with Rolls-Royce. My decision when I was in Rolls-Royce was I enjoyed work so much that I didn't want to go back to uni, and I wanted to carry on working. I found a job which I thought would be brilliant, and it's what I'm doing now. And it is the program controller for the Trent XWB 84 baseline engine at Rolls-Royce. And I think my determination is probably one of the things that shone through at both assessment centre, at my interview for Rolls-Royce, and why I got the job in the first place. That's one of the things SELA kind of almost brought out more of. I was already determined before, but I wasn't confident in myself, and having to deal with experts in the field for the wicked problem for the carbon neutral project. I had to learn how to deal with those seniors in University of Sheffield, and because I dealt with those University of Sheffield professors and high-up students as well, that I was more confident in how I was about myself. And so when I went to Rolls-Royce, I wasn't too fazed by status of people, by managers, seniors, whatever their position, what grade they might be. I just dealt with them as if they were people, and it worked to my advantage.